which one of them thought of this, but this hit. So we on the block here in Cebu, and this is where I get my fried banana in the morning. This is only 10 pesos, and it's busting. Thank you, Brody. This is good. Y'all, when y'all come by here, make sure y'all grab one of these. Next, we about to go get some coconuts, fresh coconuts, the big green ones. Now, when you walking on the block, slide this way. All right, y'all, we taking a back street. This is it. This is it. Yeah, we in the cut. We on the block with it. Yeah. Yo. It's time. I need one of these coconuts. What's up? I'm trying to get a coconut. Maybe two. Yo, when I say we outside on the block, we outside on the block. It's the real deal. Two different types, right? Yeah, the brown ones are the salty ones, though.
Maybe that's what I had. I don't know. 4 ways through.
Let's go. This is exactly, we live right now. Alright, y'all, these 40 pesos. Give them 100. And then he poured me up in the bag. That's perfect. Ooh. Look how much coconut water that is. Thank you, my friend. Oh. If he about to do what I think he about to do, I'm coming here every day.
Oh, he's gonna take.
He is. I'm coming here every day. For real.
So that's the what do you call that?
The coconut meat. That's the best part. Yes. The coconut jelly. Yeah.
That's the good part, right?
It is for me. I ain't gonna lie, man. I can't eat this beef, bro. That was you. You had the whole thing in your hand. Definitely good enough. Thank you, bro. I'll be back tomorrow, all right? I'll be back tomorrow.
Kind of remind me of honeydew.
Honeydew?
You know, like the texture?
Very, very, yes. Man, we outside. So a lot of people don't really recommend coming here because they don't really feel safe. And it's like, I just feel like they just want like a La La Land reality. I mean, yeah, this ain't aesthetically pleasing like that, but it's the real. We live in real life. This is real coconut that I'm about to drink. See y'all on the next episode. You guys, 40 pesos is less than $1. Actually, that's 2/3 of $1. So I'm about to drink this. So it was so hot outside, I had to bring my fried banana back to the hostel and sit in front of the air. I can do heat, I love heat, but it rains every day here. So this is like that humid 24/7 sweating heat. And this is like funnel cake. Really, really good.